Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I embed this Google slide into Canvas and have links that are live and how I can change them kind of when I feel like it. So one of the things I do in my classroom is we watch CNN 10 pretty much every day. It used to be CNN Student News, if you remember that, but it's just kind of good for the kids. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link this picture that I put in my virtual classroom. I'm going to link, CNN 10 there. Oops. So I found the website. And I'm just going to go to insert link here. And so that picture I'm going to link to CNN.com so that when you click on that picture, it takes you to CNN, which is, what I would have my kids do if we are doing this virtually in the fall. So to put this in your Canvas course, you're going to use a little bit of code here. So you're going to go to File on your Google Slides, and you're going to go to Publish to Web, okay? And then you're going to click Embed, right? I keep it as medium here, and I really don't do anything with these options here. It's really if you had multiple slides on a slideshow, but since we only have one slide, we keep it like this, and then you click Publish. And it says, are you sure you want to publish this? And you say, okay. And it's going to give you this embed code, right? So we're going to copy that link here. Then we are going to go to Canvas, and I have just a blank Canvas page here. And I'm going to go to Edit. And you're used to seeing the rich content editor here in your Canvas course, I'm sure. But you want to go to the HTML editor, okay? And when you do that, you're just going to copy and paste that code in there and save. And once you do that, you've embedded your Google slide into Canvas, right? Now, the links actually work as well. So like if I click on this picture of CNN 10, it takes me straight to CNN 10. And the best part about this is if you go back to your Google Slides, right, and say you want to link this welcome to, let's say, I don't know, an announcement of some sort of video. Let's say a video announcement, right? I'm just going to kind of pick this. Sorry, I was not prepared for this. But let's say you want to link it to this for whatever reason. So you'll come in here and, sorry, wrong slide. You'll insert link here. Let's see, whatever. I'm just playing around here. And you can see that it's hyperlinked there. But when you go back to your Canvas course, it's not, but all you have to do is refresh, and now it has updated. So you can update from Google Slides and then refresh, and it automatically updates on your Canvas course, which is amazing. And that means you never have to embed it ever again. Like once it's embedded, you're good to go.